CarsGuide, an online car classified directory, wanted to show Australians that unlike the market leader car sales, we don't make money by selling your contact details to car dealers. So we bought a billboard right outside their office on one of Melbourne's highest traffic routes and told people about their dodgy practices. But since we weren't legally allowed to say car sales on our billboard, we found a more creative way to point them out. Because no one owns the sky. Our thunderous statement got a few people talking, and there was a storm of conversation online and in the press. Most importantly, people were exposed to the fact that other sites sell your contact details. But we've got nothing to hide at CarsGuide.